can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Zcash. Zcash is up 11% over the last 24 hours. Zcash has rallied up by 32% over the last 1 week. In the last 1 year, has seen Zcash rising up by 652%. Currently trading above $440. In this video, we look at Zcash performance on a weekly time frame. Can Zcash finally get towards that $1,000 level before the end of 2025? Where are those key levels to watch out for when we might get rejected on our way to $1,000? Look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, Zcash performance against Ethereum, Zcash market cap, which right now sits at the $7.25 billion region. Can we get to $10 billion? Can we get to $15 billion before the end of 2025? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has seen renewed optimism over the last 1 week. A lot of altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. Zcash has been one of the leaders. Over the last 3 months, Zcash has pumped regardless of what the rest of the altcoin market is doing. With Ethereum pumping 8% over the last 1 week, we have to pay attention to the altcoin market. Maybe just maybe we're gearing up for that final pump of 2025. Maybe just maybe we're gearing up for the blow of top before the big dump in 2026 come around. But one thing is sure, altcoins in the cryptocurrency market over the last 1 week are starting to rise from the dead, and Zcash is leading that party. Zcash trading around the $441 level, has a fully diluted market cap of $9.28 billion, with Zcash market cap right now sitting at the $7.26 billion region. If you look at Zcash performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame, the line in the sand for Zcash sits around the $928 level. That's the highest price we've seen Zcash traded since December of 2017. December 25th of 2017, Zcash was trading at the $968 level. Since then, Zcash has gone down to Goblin Town, lose 97% of its value, have a rally in 2021. That rally was and Zcash high standard, that was nothing to write home about, but in reality, Zcash actually pull up a 1,500% move to the upside. That's how volatile the altcoin markets can be, and that's how crazy price expectations for altcoins can be. That Zcash pulling up a 1,500% pump to the upside in 2021 was relatively disappointing. We're expecting all-time highs. We're expecting crazy 100x pumps. So a 15x pump was, what is this? Pump for ants. But right now in 2025, 2026, I'm sure a lot of market participants are more grateful for the rallies we're seeing. They are more excited for the pump we're seeing. After Zcash had the 2022 bear market, we also Zcash dumping by more than 95%. The rally in 2025 has caught a lot of market participants off guard, because from 2024, when Zcash got to $15, there was little hope, little excitement about the future of Zcash. Nobody was talking about privacy. Market participants were not excited for the future of Zcash. But we come with higher prices, comes FOMO. With higher prices comes greater expectations, and with higher prices comes hype. And that's why from July of 2024 to where we're currently trading right now, we have seen Zcash popularity increase. Zcash even getting to as high as $750. From the bottom to the top, Zcash pumped by whopping 4,000%, which means Zcash returned more than a 40x return on your investment from July of 2024 to November of 2025. Now, we had a pullback for Zcash over the last few weeks. Zcash pulled back from the $750 level where it got to. Just in November, Zcash pulled down to as low as $300, which represented around a 58% dump to Goblin Town, which is normal for altcoins. A lot of altcoins are very volatile. The volatility in the altcoin market, it's a feature, it's not a bug. We've seen big dumps in the altcoin market. If we take a look at what happened for Zcash in 2021, we saw Zcash pulling up around a 75% move downside, and even though it failed to get to the all-time highs, we still saw some rallies come out of that Zcash pump in 2021 before we finally rolled down to Goblin Town. Zcash to pull up a 242% pump to the upside. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, I'll be expecting Zcash to make an attempt for a new all-time highs. I was expecting Zcash to finally blast above the $928 level from where we're currently trading right now. Zcash pulling up around the 100+% move will get us there. Zcash pulling up around the 110% move will get us above $920. And I'm sure the higher Zcash price go, the more we see FOMO in the cryptocurrency market. But watch out, guys. I'm sure the next all-time high for Zcash is probably going to come with some bearish divergence. So we might be seeing an all-time highs in price, but we might not see an all-time highs in technical indicators like the RSI and the MACD. If you look at what the RSI has done over the last few weeks, as Zcash was going to $750, the RSI went to the highest it had been in years. The RSI for Zcash went to as high as 95. Now the RSI has come down back around to the 55% region. I'll not be shocked, guys, for the next few weeks as Zcash is going for that blow off top, as we're seeing market participants sell at high prices, sell for sweet profit. Don't be shocked to see Zcash finally pump past the $1,000 level. Finally pumping back that 4-digit figures that will send a lot of market participants going crazy. Remember, guys, you're playing a game right here. The game is to buy as low as possible. The game is to sell as high as possible. You have to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, and when great returns, you want to sell for some sweet profits. You want to buy or sell your Zcash, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Right now, sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is down. Market participants are still scared. There was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market yesterday. Zcash is still leading the altcoin market, up 20% in the last 24 hours. I expect Zcash over the next 1 week, over the next 2 weeks to continue that rally, hopefully to new all-time highs. Now, if you look at Zcash performance against Ethereum over the last few weeks, Zcash has been outperforming Ethereum by a lot. But guys, it's not always like this. If you look back, way back in Zcash price history, this is the first time Zcash is having a sustainable run against Ethereum, if not since 2017. It's been down only for Zcash against Ethereum, finally finding the bottom in June of 2024. June of 2024 was a very great time to buy. June of 2024 was when Zcash bottomed against Ethereum. Since then, Zcash has outperformed Ethereum by more than 2,300%, which is very impressive. But don't get carried away, guys. Zcash is not always pumping against Ethereum. After the rally is over, after the bull market phase of the market cycle is come and gone, we're still going to see a bear market where a lot of these altcoins will still have to dump aggressively to gobbling town in the nearest future. Right now, we're not in an altcoin season. We're not in an altcoin month according to altcoin season index. Till we see 75% of the top 50 coins doing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's when we see an altcoin season. If not, we're not in an altcoin season. And even though Zcash is up 831% over the last 90 days, we need the rest of the altcoin market to join Zcash in that party for us to officially call it an altcoin season. Zcash market cap currently sits at $7.2 billion. The most optimistic I can get about Zcash market cap in this market cycle is Zcash market cap getting to that $45 billion region. And for us to get there, we need to see Zcash end the cycle with some explosive pumps to the upside from the $7.2 billion level. For Zcash to get to a new all-time highs around the $48 billion region, we need to see Zcash pump by more than 576%, which is possible, which can happen very swiftly. The final phase of the altcoin market pump is where we see most of the gains. That's where bears get liquidated. That's where the last bears is converted to a bull. Market participants are FOMOing, thinking this time is different. We are going to the moon forever. The dump can never ever come. And that's when the dump usually comes, when market participants are all in, thinking this time is different. A 500% pump for Zcash US dollar price chart from where we are currently trading right now. We'll see Zcash blasting past the $1,000 level, probably blasting past the $2,000 level. We'll see Zcash almost scratching $3,000. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you believe Zcash can pump that high before the end of 2025? Do you believe Zcash can pump that high before the end of this bull market cycle? And more importantly, when will you be selling your Zcash for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.